If you're ready to have the most fun with your kids this summer season, you gotta check out this portable basketball hoop that this brand sent to me for this video. It's number one, super easy to assemble. It's portable, you can take it with you on the go and just fill it up with water, and that's everything you need to do. Let's take a closer look. So it's really easy. You just fill this part with water, not this part, remember, don't fill up this part with water, just the base. And then you set up these two pins right here to just secure this part with the ring, which by the way comes with another spare net right here and also an inflator to inflate the two rubber balls that comes with the package. And then once that's just like set up, you slide it in up to the bottom, and that's pretty much it. Super nice and easy. Come on guys. So you can see how easy it is just right here. The closer look, it's made of a hard plastic, but it's resistant to the weather, so you can leave it outside, no problem with that. Here's the two pins for security, just like keep this in place. And then you fill up this place with water, which is gonna be to make it more heavy, so it's not flimsy at all and the kids can play in the water. So remember, if you're ready to have the most fun with your kids this summer season, just check this out because it's a must-have for this summer season in the pool. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.